Good morning, dear student. We have discussed the visit of in this particular prose work brings solace. The visit of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with uh, American scientists originally from Germany, Werner von Braun. How they the father of modern science, father of modern rocketry, how he was so humble, how he was so receptive, like a student of a rocketry system. So that humbleness actually we find in that such great personality, Werner von Braun. When Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam asked Werner von Braun about how did he feel in US, because we know very well he was captured at the end of second World War II. At the end of World War II, he was captured by Allied forces, and after by keeping in mind his greatness, his talent in rocketry system, he was appointed at NASA, top position at NASA. After he became an American scientist, initially he was German scientist, and he created V2 missiles, and that particular missiles was used in second World War II to devastate London totally. So that guest personality was there was going to be the conversation between the great personalities, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Werner von Braun. When they were discussing about their general information about the rocketry, he just Dr. APJ Kalam asked the questions how he feel in US. I asked this of Von Braun, who had become the cult figure in America after creating the Saturn rocket in the Apollo mission, which put the first man on the moon. Dear student, you should write down or keep in mind the first the Apollo mission. That particular mission was created to send the first man on moon. We know very well Neil Armstrong, and that the mission, the name of that particular mission was Apollo mission, and the aircraft or a rocket in that particular mission was used, that was created by Von Braun, and that name of that particular rocket was Saturn rocket. You just write it down. That in that Apollo mission was we can say created to put the first man on the moon, and that mission is called Apollo mission, and the rocket which was used in that particular mission was named as Saturn rocket, and that rocket was created by Von Braun. So this may be asked in your examination. After that, he asked one question. What did he ask? How did he feel in US? Means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam asked Werner Braun, how did he feel in US? I asked this for Von Braun, and who had become a cult figure in America after creating Saturn rocket in Apollo mission. So Werner Braun replied, America is a country of great possibilities, but they look upon everything un-American with a suspicion and contempt. This is the most important tendency we generally find in Americans or in America. What? They generally look upon down everything un-American. That whatever is created in this whole universe, and if that particular product is not originated in America, they just look look on that particular product as a down. Means according to them, if something is created by, invented by America, that is the great product. We can the most suitable product they consider. But that particular product is originated or invented by other countries, they just look at this particular product suspiciously. This is the tendency of American. They just like each and everything that is invented America. So they just look upon everything that is not American, that is not invented in America or American, They just look at it with suspicion, with doubt and contempt. They suffer from deep-rooted NIH. The long form of that NIH is not invented here. Not invented here. You may be asked this particular long form also in that complex. Complex means we can say such type of tendency that particular person has. So the all American suffers generally from this tendency NIH, not invented here complex, and look down on the alien technologies. Alien technologies means other than America. If America develop that particular technology, it is appropriate for them, and just they revere, just as they praise that particular technology. But if that particular technology is invented in another countries, they just look it down, means they don't want to give more importance to that particular technologies, particular product, particular inventions. They suffer from deep-rooted, not invented here complex. They look down on alien technologies. Alien technologies means other than Americans. If you want to do something in rocketry, do it yourself. Von Braun advised me, and that was the most important suggestions that he received from Von Braun. That what was the suggestion? If you want to do anything in rocketry, if you want to do something in rocket system, in rocketry, do it yourself. Means you should not copy, or you should not imitate the technologies that other countries have developed, other countries has developed at that time. If you want to do something, do it yourself. Means you just origin means invent yourselves. Try to do something new without imitating the other technologies that are using the other countries. That was the great suggestions Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam receives from Wernher von Braun. So he continued, SLV3 is genuine Indian design, and you may be genuine means original, not copied. He continued, the SLV3 is a genuine Indian design, and you may be having your own trouble. You may be having your own troubles, but you should always remember that one doesn't just build on successes, but also on failures. If someone is there who is successful, we generally consider, but according to him, we cannot judge any person as successful on the basis of his successes. We also judge that particular persons as successful on the basis of his failures also. Means in that successful person's successes and failures also responsible to create such a great personality. So don't it means that in nutshell he wants to say that don't be afraid about the failures you may be come across in future, but you should always remember that one doesn't just build on successes but also on failure. Mere hard work cannot fetch you honor. Mere hard work, donkey work we generally say, a donkey work would not be cause you to get you honor. Building a rock wall is back-breaking work. Building a rock wall, we know generally China walls are like that. If we want to build any rock wall, it is back-breaking. It is really we can say the labor, the hard labor we can say. There are some people who build a rock wall all their lives, and when they die, they leave behind the miles of walls, mute testimony to how hard they had worked. This is, there are such type of humanity, such type of humans on this universe. They just do hard work, and left behind them while they die, left behind them the mute testimony. Mute testimony means mute documentary, or mute we can say monument. They just do hard work. They have no vision. They just wanted to build a rock wall, and they just keep on working and working without any vision. But there are also other, while placing one rock on the top of another, have a vision. And there are also some persons on this universe, they also work hard but with a vision. There are two type of persons in the whole universe. They two type of persons working on this universe. There are one category who just know how to work hard. They just keep working and working, and after they die they just leave behind them the mute testimony, means uninterested thing they generally but there are some person who also work hard, but they work with a vision. It may be to create a terrace with roses climbing over the rock wall, a chair set out for the lazy summer's day. On the rock wall, any may enclose an apple orchard or mark boundary. What matters is that when they finish, they have more than a wall. It is this goal that makes the difference. This is the most important thing he want to discuss, he want to suggest to Dr. APJ Kalam. There are in this whole universe, there are two type of personalities, successful persons we can generally consider. But the basic difference between them, among them are some one category, they also work hard, but without any vision. They wanted to, if they want to build a rock wall, they just only build a rock wall without any vision. But there are also other category. Instead, besides that building a wall, they have another vision, and they use that wall with another projects like making terrace, making it more beautiful, they can use that rock wall to plant orchard, apple orchard, make a boundary. They also want to set some chairs there for a summer's day. Such we can say beauty with we can say they have the another vision also. Here only they don't want to only build a wall. With that wall, they want to create the another things with the help of that particular in that same project. So that makes the difference. Means if we are working on any portion or any project, we have the another visions also. We must have another visions also. How we can create more beautiful, how we can create more profitable, more we can say appropriate, maximum use of that particular project. Such type of vision you must keep in your mind while working on any project. So that was the great suggestions, great advice he got from Wernher von Braun. Do not make rocketry your profession or your livelihood. Make it your religion and your mission. You should also underline this particular line. This particular, do not make rocketry your profession or your just there are some professional on this universe, they just lead their profession to lead their family, to lead their life. But if they consider their profession only to most of the people on this universe cannot do anything noteworthy, because they consider that profession only to earn money, to lead their livelihood, to lead their family. They have some particular project and they want to just complete that particular project without having any vision. But if we consider that particular project as our religion, our mission, we consider that particular profession that is our mission, to do more and more things, to do more and new things in our profession, to invent more and more, to do something more and more. That is means we just live for that profession. Means there are some people who just use the profession to live, but there are some people who live only for their profession. The such type of difference we generally find while studying the men and women on this world. So if we want to do something noteworthy in your life, you just make that profession your religion, your mission. Not only just look at that particular profession as your the means to lead your livelihood, the means to live your family, means to live your life. You just look at that particular profession as your life, your mission, your religion, because your whole life will be totally devoted to that particular profession. And if we develop such type of tendency, we will definitely do something noteworthy in our life. So dear student, for this video this is enough. The remaining portion we will discuss tomorrow.